So 2 weeks ago, I released my initial video for Baldies Shower Bar. And in that video, I outlined its ingredients and my initial thoughts. But how has it been after 2 weeks of using it? And that's what this whole video is about. Here's my follow-up video to Baldies and their Shower Bar, their Kickstarter product. What's up everyone? Welcome back. I'm Mike, this is Bald and Strong, where being bald is a lifestyle and I want to help you make the most of it. And if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing down below and clicking on the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future content. So in the first video, I took note of a couple key, physically unique features of this bar of soap. One was the engraved logo in the shower bar, and I still think that was a nice touch. Two was the uniqueness in the way that the dimensions of the bar. This is not typical compared to your other guy's bar of soaps. Shortly after I started using the bar of soap, the logo faded away really quickly. I'm not surprised, I wasn't expecting it to last very long anyway. The unique dimensions of this bar did make building a soap lather and a washcloth different. Not hard, but different. And again, we're used to a very similar dimension. Most major soap brands, when they make bar soap, the dimensions of these bars, its height, its width, its diameter, it doesn't change a whole lot. So we're kind of already used to that. So this bar is shaped very differently. But once I started using this bar, it performed as I expected it would. That clay smell is the dominant aroma from this. So that green clay, it really hits you. Not in a bad way, but it's noticeable. That's probably the most noticeable aroma you get from it. Now, I typically shave 2 times a day. And at that rate, in 2 weeks, I have worn down 2/3 of the bar. So I've got about 1/3 of it left. So with that kind of use, I can say I would roughly get 3 to 4 weeks out of it. 4 weeks would be stretching it though. Full disclosure, in those weeks though, I was also using it for a shaving lather, which those natural ingredients sure helped in that case as well. My skin stayed very well hydrated from a bar soap lather, I will admit. Another bonus of this is, in my opinion, soap lathers are a way to get a great, really smooth, close shave. But again, I always recommend you shave in the shower. But the question is, I'm sure I can probably hear you screaming it at your screen right now, but is it worth this price point? Answer is yes. If you care about what you expose yourself to in the way of ingredients and chemicals and materials that you can't even pronounce the name to, especially in soap. And that's who this bar of soap is really for. The people who want the natural, the organic bar soap. Especially made for us baldies. So if you're a health conscious, natural consumer who's baldy or not, you don't have to be bald to use this product. Anyone can. I said it before, you could even purchase it for someone who's bald or someone who you know would love this product. A natural, organic bar soap. Either way, I recommend you watch my initial video on Baldies. I'll have it linked down in the description, or you can tap up here for it and you can check it out yourself. So guys, if you've tried this Shower Bar from Baldies, or you're planning to, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts were on it as well. So everyone, next time I'll see you, it'll be after the holidays. I just want to say, stay safe out there, be smart, and until the next time.